Let's look at this question. Let A and B be the two real numbers. If 2n minus 2 are the roots of ax cube plus bx square minus 7x plus 8 is equal to 0, then B equals. Okay, so A and B are two real numbers actually, and these are the coefficients of x cube and x square. This is a cubic, so it has three roots. Two roots are given, 2n minus 2. I am assuming the third root. Let third root be P, right? So we have three relation, that is sum of roots. Sum of roots taken one at a time, and that would be 2 minus 2 plus P. And in terms of coefficients, it would be minus B by A. Second relation I have is sum of roots taken 2 at a time, and it would be minus 4 plus 2P minus 2P, and that is C, that is minus 7 upon A. And third, we have the product of the roots, right? Or the sum of roots taken 3 at a time, and that would be 2 into minus 2 into P, and that should be equal to minus D upon A, right? And that is minus 8 upon A, minus 8 upon A. Now, can you see we have the three variables and three equations? I can easily find the value of B. First, I need to find the value of P, and from here it would be, I got the value of P as, I can cancel out this negative 4 cancels it 2 times. I get the P as 2 by A. If P is 2 by A, I can find the value of A from here, right? If P is 2 by A, I can find the value of I can find the value of, let's say, oh, so I can directly find the value of A from here. Sorry, 2p get cancelled, this minus minus get cancelled. I got the value of A as 7 by 4. If A is 7 by 4, I get P as 2 upon 7, or this become 8 by 7, right? Now I can find the value of B from here. This get cancelled. P is 8 by 7, and it is equal to minus B upon A, and A is 7 by 4. So I get the value of B as minus 2, because 4 cancels 8 2 times. So I'm getting the value of B as minus 2.